Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create novel cars, the popular manga character in Infinite Craft. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Put earth on the empty space and add water to get plant. Put earth on the empty space and add wind to get dust. Add fire to get ash. Combine plant and ash to get tobacco. Add tobacco again to get cigarette. Put plant on the empty space and add wind to get dandelion. Add water to get wine. Add water to get holy water. Add fire to get vampire. Add wind to get bat. Add bat again to get Batman. Combine Batman and cigarette to get Joker. Put water on the empty space and add water to get lake. Put fire on the empty space and add fire to get volcano. Combine lake and volcano to get island. Add earth to get continent. Put earth on the empty space and add earth to get mountain. Combine continent and mountain to get Asia. Add volcano to get Japan. Put water on the empty space and add fire to get steam. Combine Japan and steam to get enemy. Combine enemy and Joker to get Jojo. Add enemy to get Jojo Bizarre Adventure. Add vampire to get Dio. Add Jojo Bizarre Adventure to get Dio Brando. Put plant on the empty space and add water to get swamp. Add continent to get Africa. Combine Dio Brando and Africa and you will finally get cars. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.